He is the easiest person to talk to. He has this depth, and at the same time, he's the most practical person. He has this understanding of emotions and सब कुछ exactly बताना नहीं पड़ता.
I feel like we are each other's best friend. So we literally talk about every single thing that not just happens in our day, but also what is in our mind. She's from a different culture, she's from a different state, a different caste, everything is very different.
She is a fighter and she is emotional, she takes care of everything.
At the same time, very down to earth. Perfect blend of modernity and tradition. जो माँ में स्थिरता है वही स्थिरता मनु में दिखती है. बहुत ही शांत और संभला हुआ लड़का है. और जितनी ये चंचल है वो उतना ही ठहराव वाला है.
Manu acts like a tranquilizer. He calms her down. It is like yin and yang. They are made for each other.
Between the two of us, I am the one who is a little more patient and a little more quiet. थोड़ा introvert type का हूँ मैं. She is very fluent with talking with someone. She is very good with communication. She can strike a communication with all different kinds of people. उसको पता है कि कैसे उसके साथ attune होना है. हमारा sense of humor बहुत similar है. वो बहुत अलग है on the surface and मैं भी बहुत अलग हूँ on the surface. But हमारा sense of humor थोड़ा सा twisted, थोड़ा broken सा है.
मनु बहुत काम
साइलेंट
बहुत जेंटल बहुत काम है मनु.
मैं मनु को कभी झगड़ा करते देखा नहीं.
हाँ, ऐसा
शांत है.
ऐसा एक्सट्रीम पोल्स में कब दिख रहा है.
वेरी एक्सेप्टिंग, किसी को भी बुला लेता है.
सब आ जाओ.
I learned inclusiveness from him.
मतलब सब सही था, बस कॉलेज दोस्तों की पहचान नहीं कर पाए.
नहीं बट काफी हम्बल एंड एक्सेंट्रिसिटी को ऐसे एब्जॉर्ब कर देता था.
बाबा एक जर्नल लिख रहे क्या.
Okay, so first he's very laid back, he's very chill. No matter what you tell him, he's like, हाँ ऐसा तो होता रहता है. And the second, which is the thing that yes, not always, but yes, more or less, he's very laid back. And the thing that inspires me particularly is that he's very hardworking. He has so many ideas, and you know, he's not that kind of a person who will, you know, just sit on those ideas.
बहुत quiet, calm सा है Manu overall, but he has a really wild, wicked side as well, which is something that which comes out here as well.
He is the Sandeep Reddy uncle.
So I'm meeting Manu after a pretty long time, quite a few years. I worked with him about 4-5 years ago. I feel like he's grown a lot as a person, and like he's really come of age, and it's the perfect time for him to settle down. And the wedding's just been like phenomenal. It's just been hanging out with you guys has been just chaotic, fun, crazy, and it's a reflection of who he is as a person.
He can take care of me like a parent, you know, like parents हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान रखते हैं, हमें सबसे ज़्यादा unconditionally accept करते हैं. I've never seen that, and not just with me. I think he's like that with everyone. He makes it easy, you know. I could enjoy partying with him till 3 a.m. and I could enjoy going to a mandir with him. I'm a little, like my mom says, thoda chanchal idhar udhar, but he brings that sthirta in me. I could go up to him with any problem, like literally any problem, and I know that this guy would give me the tough pill, a hard reality check. Sometimes I don't see things for how they are, and he will really knock sense into me.
उसने मुझे सिखाया है कि हाउ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप इज टू हैव एकदम ओपन ऑनेस्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन. और उसके आने के बाद से आई हैव ऑल्सो लर्न टू ऑनेस्टली ओपन अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई फादर, माई ब्रदर, माई फैमिली. अब हम और खुल के बात करते हैं चीज़ों के ऊपर. जो चीज़ें हम यूजुअली वी वुड स्वीप अंडर द कार्पेट, वी वुड नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट ओपनली. अब मैं खुद उसके सामने बात करता हूँ.
We haven't met Manu, but we have seen Aisha after she's met Manu. So there's been a big change in how she is as a person, and in a very positive way.
ऐसे होने चाहिए रिलेशन दैट दे ब्रिंग आउट गुड इन यू.
Exactly.
आप ऑलरेडी अच्छे हो, आपको और अच्छा कैसे कर सकता है एक चीज, वो होते हैं रिलेशन जो सक्सेसफुल रिलेशन के लिए होते हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज
she's been much happier and much more at peace. So I think that's good to see. Like she has a solid guy to depend on, and so we're really happy.
like a proper pillar, and that's really important in life.
Yeah.
Manu is her home. She finds comfort, friend, peace. वो सारा उसको मनु में मिलता है. एंड वही रिलेशनशिप में ज़रूरी एक दोस्ती होना. बाकी सब चीज़ें आती जाती हैं ज़िंदगी की, मगर अगर आप अपने पार्टनर से बातें कर सकते हैं तो उसकी कोई उम्र नहीं है.
She has really gelled very well with all of my relatives, and they really love her back. I respect all the challenges that she faced of adjusting in a different society and agreeing to marry me.
है ना, आपको क्या देखना है, हमको देखना है, हम देखने लायक ही नहीं है आपके आगे आज।
He did everything from my family's end without even telling my family or without even telling me, because he just did not want to add that extra cultural burden on my family. When we came here a day before the engagement, we found out that everything has been managed by Manu. He's healed something in me that I didn't even know needed healing. You know, that someone who heals your inner child. That journey, that's so important. I wasn't even looking for that, and I'm lucky. I'm really grateful to God that I found that.
I want to make this life a better experience for you, my entire life going forward. I want it to be centered around our family that we start. So रोज सर झुका के I'm just focused on that thing towards a mission of building a beautiful life together. और रोजमर्रा में कहीं खो जाता होगा और दिखता नहीं होगा इतना obviously, but I want you to know कि I'm always working towards that, and one day you will see.